Okay, so in this particular video, we are going to implement our first function. So if you remember, uh, last time we were discussing that if there is a function f of x, and let's suppose the function is 1 by x minus 2. Okay, uh, so at x equal to 2, if we try to solve this problem, we'll encounter a problem. Okay, what is the problem? That is a 1 by 0 problem. So how to solve this problem? Okay, so how to solve this problem? We'll get this answer into limit chapter. But here we will try to implement this function into the Python, and we will note down the error, what kind of error we are getting here. Okay, and that error we will solve when we learn the concept of limit. Okay, so let me implement let me implement the function. Okay, so I hope you people know what is function and everything. Okay, so I'm writing a function. So let's suppose I'm writing a simple test v is the name of function, and here I will pass my input. Okay, in input, so input one I'm saying, and then I am writing here. Let's suppose I'm writing result equal to 1 divided by x minus 2. Okay, and here I will return the output. Okay, and now I will call the function. So I will call function, and let me pass the value of 1 first. Then it will be easy for us to understand. Okay, I'm really sorry. I need to pass input 1 here, and now let me run it. So let me print this value so it will be easy for us to understand. Okay, so I am printing this one. Okay, so now you see you are getting -1. So if I'll pass 3, I will get some other output. I am getting 1. So if I'll pass 2, what I will get? This is called zero division error. So how to solve this problem? Okay, so how to solve problem? How to solve this problem actually? Okay, so to solve this problem, we are going to implement. So before implementing limit, we will understand what is limit actually. So if you understand what is limit, then we can solve this problem actually. So this problem, how to deal with this problem. Okay, this is very common. Okay, this is very common problem. Okay, so in the next video we will learn what is limit, and then we will come to the Python environment, and then we'll implement it.